Hello, respectable audience. 5 plus 5 is 10, and further, 5 plus 5, which would be equal to 10. So 10 times 10 will be equal to 100, is our answer. But remember that 100 is not correct answer. It's wrong. So we have to solve the question again according to some rule. Actually, the question is 5 plus 5, parentheses 5 plus 5, bracket closed. So this can be solved according to a rule of order of operation, which is known as PEMDAS rule. So first of all, we have to solve parentheses 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 will be equal to 10. Okay, this is solved by PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS means P-E-M-D-A-S. It is order of operation. So P has been solved. Now exponent is missing, so we have to multiply first. 5 times 10 will be equal to 50. Now the final step will be equal to addition, which will be 55. 55 is correct answer. Thank you for your support.